Assalamu alaikum students, I'm your teacher Humayun Malik, and in the continuation of our previous lectures, today we are going to discuss question number 10 of exercise 2D chapter number 2, which is integers, rational numbers and real numbers of NSM1 Oxford Mathematics. Before going to discuss question number 10, I want to tell you that as you can easily see, there are 5 parts of question number 10, and we are going to discuss 3 parts in this lecture, and the remaining 2 parts are your homework. If you find any difficulty in remaining parts, feel free to tell me in the comment section. So starting with question number 10 part A, in which we are given a question minus 8 divided by 5 minus into minus 2 whole 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2. After simplification, it will become minus 8 divided by 5 plus 2 whole 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2, because we know that whenever we multiply minus with minus, it gives us a positive sign. And moving on, we will simplify our second term, which is 2 whole 1 divided by 4, by multiplying 4 with 2, which gives us 8, and adding 1 to the 8, it will become 9 divided by 4. So our three terms are now simplified in fractional form, and by moving on, we will adopt a method of common denominator, and for that we will multiply our first term, which is minus 8 divided by 5, with 4 divided by 4, and our second term, which is plus 9 divided by 4, with 5 divided by 5, and our third term, which is minus 1 divided by 2, with 10 divided by 10. And after simplification, it will become minus 32 divided by 20 plus 45 divided by 20 minus 10 divided by 20. From here we can easily see that the denominators of all three terms are same, so we write it at once and simply add the numerators, and it will become minus 32 plus 45 minus 10, and after simplification it gives us the answer 3 divided by 20, which is our required answer. In part B, we are given the question 6 whole 1 divided by 5 minus into minus 3 divided by 10 plus into minus 4 whole 1 divided by 10. After simplification, it will become 6 whole 1 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 4 whole 1 divided by 10, because we know that whenever we multiply a negative sign with negative sign, it gives us a positive sign, and whenever we multiply a positive sign with negative sign, it gives us a negative sign. Moving on, we will simplify our first and third term, which is 6 whole 1 divided by 5 and 4 whole 1 divided by 10. Simplifying our first term, which is 6 whole 1 divided by 5, by multiplying 5 with 6, which gives us 30, and adding 1 to the 30, it will become 31 divided by 5. And our third term, which is minus 4 whole 1 divided by 10, by multiplying 10 with 4, it gives us 40, and adding 1 to the 40, it will become 41 divided by 10. Now our all three terms are in the simplified form, and moving on, we will adopt a method of common denominator, and for that we will multiply our first term, which is 31 divided by 5, with 4 divided by 4, our second term, which is 3 divided by 4, with 5 divided by 5, and our third term, which is minus 41 divided by 10, with 2 divided by 2. And after simplification, it will become 124 divided by 20 plus 15 divided by 20 minus 82 divided by 20. From here we can easily see that the denominators of all three terms are same, so we write it at once and simply add the numerators, and it will become 124 plus 15 minus 82, and after simplification it gives us the answer 57 divided by 20. And writing our answer in mixed number form or whole number form, it will become 2 whole 17 divided by 20, which you can easily see by dividing 57 with 20. Moving to the moving to the part C, in which we are given a question 4 whole 2 divided by 7 plus minus 6 whole 1 divided by 3 minus into minus 4 divided by 21. And after simplification, it will become 4 whole 2 divided by 7 minus 6 whole 1 divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 21, because when we multiply a positive sign with negative sign, it gives us a negative sign, and whenever we multiply negative sign with negative sign, it gives us a positive sign. Moving on, we will simplify our first and second term, which is 4 whole 2 divided by 7 and minus 6 whole 1 divided by 3. By simplifying first term, multiplying 7 with 4 gives us 28, and adding 2 to the 28, it will become 30 divided by 7. Simplifying our second term, which is 6 whole 1 divided by 3, by multiplying 3 with 6, it gives us 18, and adding 1 to the 18, it gives us 19 divided by 3, and the fourth term will remain as it is. By moving on, we will adopt the method of common denominator, and for that we will multiply our first term, which is 30 divided by 7, with 3 divided by 3, our second term, which is minus 19 divided by 3, with 7 divided by 7, and our third term, which is 4 divided by 21, with 1 divided by 1. And after simplification, it will become 90 divided by 21 minus 133 divided by 21 plus 4 divided by 21. From here we can easily see that the denominators of all three terms are same, so we write it at once and simply add the numerators, and it will become 90 minus 133 plus 4. And after simplification, it will become minus 39 divided by 21. And after more simplification, it will become minus 13 divided by 7, and writing our answer in mixed number form or whole number form, it will become minus whole 6 divided by 7. That's it for today. Thank you very much.